What's up with the YouTube? It's your boy Just Vine, and we back with another one. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how we do some canvas art at home. So, yeah, as y'all see, I'm just searching up some coloring book pages, some that I might want to do, like some shoes, some little hype beast characters. I'm gonna do these Nikes for sure. And it's pretty easy, like do it yourself, paint and sip. That's like what I'm trying to do at the crib. So we're just gonna browse through these sections here. We're gonna type in cars, because I seen a cool cars little page I wanted to do. I'm gonna do this one right here. And it's a neat little figure. I like cars, man. So yeah, I done got the pictures I really want to use. Let me pull them up in the Cricut. Show y'all how y'all upload this to your design space and actually get to cut it out. But I'm gonna be honest, I ain't cut this out on screen because I really couldn't get a good footage or nothing. But I got it the best as I can. Yeah, man, sorry I ain't uploaded in a minute. I've been kind of sick lately. I'm just not feeling better. If y'all could tell, I was over with y'all. But yeah, I'm feeling better now. So we're gonna get back to the schedule program. Make sure y'all like, subscribe to the channel for more updates, you know what I'm saying? Not gonna mirror the image because we just need it on this exact side. We only mirror if we was ironing this on, but I'm not ironing this on. I'm actually like sticking this onto a canvas. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Oh, had to show y'all what I was up here grilling on my new King's fur I just got from Walmart. But yeah, you're gonna need some permanent vinyl. You're gonna need you some canvas packs. Got this from Hobby Lobby. You need scissors, get your weeding tool, and your presser. That's what I call it, a presser, so you can flatten out your tape. I ain't show the tape on screen, but you're gonna need some transfer tape as well. I'm gonna link it in the description below. The type of transfer tape you guys should use to get your vinyl to stick. See, if we was using regular iron-on, we'd have to flip it around. But since it's just removable vinyl, we cut it with this side. So y'all see me, I put the transfer tape on top of that. The object is to get this piece of removable vinyl onto this transfer tape. And once it's on that transfer tape, we gotta get it to stick to that canvas. And this sounds easier said than done, my baby, because it took so long, y'all. I'm like, man. It took so long, y'all. I'm telling you, it wasn't sticking at first, but y'all see I got it out right here. But after that, pretty much, I was done. Like, you just put it on the canvas and you just got to work out the grooves so it'll stick to your mat. You take the tape off, boom. What y'all think? I had to throw the Nike sign on there. Just throw it a little more flavor. And then I'm going to just paint. I ain't gonna paint everything on screen. Just want to thank you guys for watching, tuning in for another video, man. Y'all into projects like this and y'all want more, drop me a comment on what y'all like to see. You know, we get crafty over here, man. So what type of craft y'all want to see, man? Just let me know in the comments. And thanks again for watching. It's your boy Just Vine, and we out here, man.